Carrie, your independent Norwex sales consultant. Tonight I'm going to preview the cleaning paste for you. This stuff is like elbow grease in a jar. It's good for use on chrome, plastics, ceramics, porcelain tiles, and similar materials. And to demo this product, I'm going to take a Sharpie marker on tile. This is the tile that's in my bathroom. I have my Enviro cloth, my everything cloth. I'm going to take 1, 2, 3 swipes of this product on the cloth. If you have children, you will know that crayon on the walls is quite the phenomenon. So here we will draw a cute little smiley face on our wall. See it okay? Your Enviro cloth, 1, 2, 3. Just get enough a little bit on. So there you go. Always check in a little corner on your paint to make sure that your paint is such that it's not going to just come up, whether you've got glossy paint or flat paint or whatnot. So little disclaimer there, do that homework on your own, but it takes it right off. So the cool thing about that is that I didn't have to do this job alone. My children were there scrubbing with me. I each gave them a travel Enviro, which is much smaller than this one. They could dab, dab, dab and go at that wall, and we could do that job as a family. And as my mother always says, a family that works together stays together. So, cleaning paste, kind of magic. Have a good night. Bye-bye.